They say the fruit doesn't fall far from the tree. अब पॉलिटा से बात करने के बाद एक बात तो क्लियर हो गई, she is incredible. So we thought, hey, let's catch up with her mom Renee to find out ये incredible जो वो personality है उसका source कितना awesome है. Renee is a sweetheart. तो जाहिर है पॉलिटा ने अपनी मम से ही काफी कुछ सीखा होगा. Renee lost her husband at a very young age और उन्होंने अपना सारा वक्त और ध्यान अपनी बेटी की ओर डायरेक्ट कर दिया. रेने ने रियलाइज किया कि उनका बेकिंग के लिए जो प्यार बचपन से उनमें था वो कहीं ना कहीं साइडलाइन होता जा रहा था. बस फिर क्या था, she pulled up her socks and rekindled her love for baking. But that's not the best part of the story. रेने ने डिसाइड किया कि अपने बेकिंग से मिलने वाले सारे प्रॉफिट्स को वो देंगी अपनी बेटी को ताकि और भी रेस्क्यूड एनिमल्स को एक अच्छा घर मिल सके. एंड गेस व्हाट, रेने ने बनाया है हमारे लिए अ वेरी स्पेशल ईस्टर मील. सो किस बात का इंतजार है? Welcome to the show, Rennie.
Thank you for having me.
Pleasure and a happy Easter.
The same to you.
So today, of course, I know that you've had Paulita run around quite a few times, and
Yes.
she's going to remember this as an Easter memory forever.
Exactly.
Because she didn't get the right oranges for the orange cake.
I needed a thick-skinned orange because I needed the rind. I needed an orange slightly on the softer side because I needed the juice. And because she didn't get that both in one orange, I had to send her back. Sorry to say that, but I had to do something really delicious for you today.
Now, I know you've made this special spread for us today. It's our Easter special episode. So every Easter is like this at home?
Yes, more or less. Maybe I change things, but it's always the Easter eggs and the melt-in-the-mouth cookies.
Oh. And have you picked up all of this from mum or?
Yes, when I was young, I remember at the age of 13, I started baking, and my father used to say, you can bake whatever you want, but don't burn it and waste it.
So do you remember what that first thing was that you baked when
It
you were
was a
13?
cake, a vanilla cake.
And what was
which I
Dad's?
tried. Oh, everybody loved it because my fear was that it may sink, but it didn't. It came right up.
Now these Easter eggs, you've decorated them. You've made these all at home.
Yes.
What I want to know is what is the significance of these eggs?
Yeah, an egg is it gives new life. So, in a Christian perspective, the Easter egg resembles or symbols Jesus emerging from his tomb and his resurrection.
You know, it's really amazing the things that people can do when they're passionate about something. Or not only are you good with all of this kind of baking, but then there's professional cake making, which you do as well.
Yes, I do.
And now, how long have you been doing this for, Renee?
Maybe about 5 or 6 years I've been doing it, and I'm self-taught.
You're self-taught
This as well, yeah.
Wow. So this is again now an Easter cake.
Easter cake, right.
I just feel like if there's anyone out there and you're looking for something to do this Easter perhaps, या आने वाले कोई भी celebrations के लिए, Rennie is the person you need to get in touch with. She clearly puts her heart into everything that she does. और सबसे बड़ी बात तो ये है कि the proceeds from all the money that she makes go to a very, very good cause indeed. So make sure next time आप जब कुछ celebrate कर रहे हो तो आप भी रेने की ही इस किस्म की baking को बनाएं अपने उस celebration का हिस्सा. Rennie, thank you so much for joining us on the
Thank you
show.
so much, Karishma, for having me on the show.
It's our pleasure entirely. You know what it's time for? What do we know and what have we learned? आज के शो से जो टॉप 3 चीजें हमने सीखी हैं वो हैं invest in children, they are the future. दूसरी चीज एनिमल्स को अबैंडन मत कीजिए. They're just as precious as you and me. And of course, if you want a pet, then don't shop, adopt. तीसरी बात बहुत जरूरी, to be noted, my lord, you need the right kind of oranges to make the right kind of orange cake. Well, that's it on today's show and Assalam Namaste UAE पर मैं हूँ करिश्मा. I'm hoping to see you next week, same time, same place.